What's up? How y'all doing? It's your dog, man. We back up in here. Another one of them things, man. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all hear the water running. Y'all see where I'm at. It's about that time. Thanksgiving. And we in here. Flip-flops, no socks. Nah, house rule. No socks. And we finna throw down.
Chicken and dress.
This your. What year is this? You don't cook? This your second year? Third? This is her. I ain't gonna say Al. This is her third year cooking Thanksgiving dinner, man. We ain't invite nobody, so don't ask. Well, it don't matter because by the time y'all see this video, Thanksgiving gonna be over anyway. Ain't that selfish of me? But yeah, man, we finna do our thing, man, with the Thanksgiving. We finna bring the Thanksgiving in. Right. Well, she ain't got nothing to her glass. She ain't got nothing to her glass because y'all know what she be doing with her glass. Emptying it. So, yeah, my glass over there still full. So, you know, I'm the slout drinker. Baby be the.
Just because you drink straight. You drink straight liquor.
But, yeah, man. Hey, look at my. Oh, you just got told him stop making noise. Look at my nutty bug, man. They made my nutty bug a firefighter. But yeah, man, we're finna man, doing chickens. She cutting the chicken.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut the wings up off of mine.
Legs off.
They tore up them store. They ain't leaving up for a nigga.
Yeah.
I mean, leaving up for a nigga, you know? So we gotta make do.
They was trying to get in there and get on that.
You know what I'm saying? But we don't make do. That's all good.
Yeah. So she got some more jam jar. She went and got 16 bottles of that. So yeah, it's gonna be a drunksgiving. What we got? We got some vegetables.
Yeah, that's what you finna do.
The vegetables?
You finna cut them up, huh?
No, I want to do the hard stuff. I want to do the real cooking. I want to lay the smack down on something in here.
Okay.
What? How I gotta cook?
Real thing.
Yeah, man. So I got me a glass over here. You know.
We gonna have one for tomorrow.
What you mean?
So we drink that up.
I ain't trying to drink it up.
Show your glass.
What you mean?
How many glasses is this?
2? This is my second one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I ain't trying to drink it up.
Sounds good. We know you're a drinker.
I mean, I do my thing, you know. I do my thing, school on, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. So I'm finna get over here and do our thing, man. Got that old oven on, pots and pans and things going on. What is it right here? Hog maws. What's this? Turkey necks. We're finna get it on. We're gonna start eating tonight. We're gonna get ahead of the game.
Turkey hawks, man.
So, yeah. That being said, man, y'all, stay tuned, man. Don't do nothing else. You know what I'm saying? You should've, when you came in, you should've liked the video already. But I'm pretty sure you probably did. So now you gotta wait till the end of the video to like it, which is kind of backwards to me. But whatever. So go ahead, stay tuned. Sit back, grab you something to drink, cause it's finna make your mouth water. So get you something to drink. Sit back and yeah, man, watch this Thanksgiving vibe, man. That
everybody. We're gonna be over everybody's house.
Oh yeah, we definitely gonna be over everybody's house. But we finna really look at this man here in his drawers and his Sonic head.
So when this loaded, it looks like he's
But yeah, we're gonna knock this out. Pull this camera back out, man. We go start to get started. Turn these tunes back on. And yeah. I'm hungry already. Shit. I don't wanna wait. Just give me the raw chicken. Hey man, get out the tree.
Hey, eat some of the leftover macaroni.
Onions, bell peppers, and celery right now. We got cheese right here. We got some chicken going on in there. I don't know what them is right there. Some eggs right there. Yeah, we got it going on over here, man. We got the oven on. I don't know what's in the oven, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you the green. I ain't showing no green. I don't even know what the green is. Got the ground beef. You know what I'm saying? We got some corn. We got some. Alright. We got some hen. I'm about there. You know what I'm saying? I'm about there. So, yeah. We up. Good morning. We back, man. We finna get in here and continue what's going on. She got the music on, so when I turn the sound on, put y'all some music in here, but here we go.